Michael. So we are really excited for the upcoming class. Please sit back, enjoy, and let's absorb this wisdom.
I hope so. Okay, good. You got a first picture, Francisco? It's a diamond, I think. A box? Lindsay, can you push that back? That's my monitor.
Tes, tes, tes.
Just towards you. Stop. Okay, good. All right.
Oke,
So, welcome to Song of My Spiritual Life.
selamat datang di
As I
Sangga
mentioned,
Spiritual Life. Seperti yang saya sebutkan,
Tsongkhapa never talks about himself,
Songkapa tidak pernah
except in
menyebutkannya
one
secara langsung,
short book called Song of My Spiritual
kecuali yang dia bahas di satu
Life,
buku yang disebut
which is
Spiritual
kind
Life,
of a book of spiritual
yang
experiences.
merupakan buku yang membahas tentang pengalaman spiritual beliau.
Only in this book he talks about his
Dan
personal
hanya di
life.
buku
And
ini
he
dia
talks about
membahas
his
tentang
personal experience.
kehidupan personalnya
And
sendiri.
it's so beautiful to
Dan
hear
itu
him
sangat
talk
indah
about
sekali untuk
his own
mendengarkan
experience.
beliau membahas
That
tentang pengalamannya.
me and Gibson, is Gibson here?
Saya
Gibson
dan
Cheng?
Gibson, apakah Gibson ada di
Stand up,
sini?
handsome.
Gibson Cheng, would you please berdiri?
Yeah.
Bisakah Anda berdiri?
And Gibson finished that book. I bet Lindsay's going to get a copy.
Tes,
Is
tes.
that what you're doing? She's. You should have sold cars.
Eh,
Yeah. Oh, I got one here. It's this book here.
ini
And
bukunya.
if you don't have a copy, I guess
Kalau
we
kalian
got
belum
it at the
mendapatkan
panitia, I
kopinya,
guess. I don't know.
kita, saya
But
rasa panitia telah menyiapkannya.
Gibson just finished this. It just came out.
Gibson telah
And
selesai
it's a
menyelesaikan
beautiful
menerjemahkan buku ini.
book. We did a whole
Ini adalah
series of
buku yang
small
sangat
books,
indah.
pocket books,
Kita juga
that you can carry
membuat
in your purse and
serial
stuff
dari
like that
buku-buku ini menjadi
and
buku yang
read
lebih
on the
kecil,
bus.
sehingga kita bisa membacanya dalam
So
waktu yang cukup pendek.
I
Mungkin kita
really,
menunggu di
really
bus
like
atau
it.
kita berada di luar, ya.
Gibson did a beautiful job.
Gibson telah melakukan
So
pekerjaan yang sangat indah
this is the
sekali.
book that we're learning, and this is
Ini buku yang kita
this is
pelajari.
how I'm doing preparation
Inilah
for Diamond Way for
bagaimana
this
saya
group.
juga melakukan
We have
persiapan
other groups
Diamond
around the
Way untuk
world
kelompok ini
that
dan
are
juga
doing different
guru
Diamond Way introduction.
kelompok-kelompok yang lain di seluruh
For
dunia.
you guys, this is the
Buat
book that we're
kalian,
teaching. Okay.
ini adalah buku yang saya ajarkan. Terima kasih.
Uh, and I think that's a wonderful introduction for a Diamond Way course. Okay.
Dan ini adalah
To
merupakan
read
suatu perkenalan yang
these
sangat
small
indah
verses about
untuk
and
kelas
the
Diamond Way ini.
commentary is by my
Dan
teacher's teacher,
komentarinya
Pabongka Rinpoche.
yang dibahas
We
oleh
read the
guru dari
Grand
guru
Book
saya, yaitu
we
Pabongka
studied for 14
Rinpoche,
long years.
merupakan salah satu guru
People
besar
say
yang
my
sangat
student, I say, how many
terpercaya
of those
dan sangat
14-year classes
di
did you come to?
ini banyak
They're
kita
like,
dengarkan
I think I
ajarannya.
came to one. All right. So I was in the diamond business after I saw emptiness
Jadi
directly,
setelah saya melihat emptiness secara langsung,
I had this intense
saya
during the
memiliki
same hour
keinginan
after I came
di
down.
jam yang
I
sama
had
ketika
this
saya turun,
intense
saya benar-benar memiliki
desire
keinginan yang sangat kuat
not
sekali
forget what
untuk
happened to
tidak
me
melupakan
for
apa
the
yang
rest
telah
of my
terjadi pada
life. So I
saya
thought I
sepanjang
need
hidup
something
saya.
to remember.
Jadi saya membutuhkan
And
sesuatu untuk
I just
mengingatkan
worked
saya.
really hard. I was still sitting on the same
Dan
cushion.
saya
And I was
merasakan bahwa saya telah duduk di tempat yang
what's
sama,
the
dan saya
one
terus
thing
berpikir
in
terus,
this world
apakah satu hal
which
yang
is similar
dibutuhkan
to
di dunia
what I
ini
saw? And
yang dapat
I never said that.
dialami
I
oleh
said to
semua orang
myself,
seperti
it's
yang saya
not.
lihat
If you read the
adalah
Diamond
dengan
Cutter
belajar
business book, you know the
Diamond.
reasons why.
Kalau kalian tahu tentang
But
buku Diamond
diamond
Cutter
is the Joseph's
sutra
theme
dan kenapa saya
in
menyebut
this
kenapa
noble work
di
to
pelajaran-pelajaran
emptiness. And
itu adalah cara kita mendekati
it's not
kekosongan
close at
ini.
all. Okay?
Ya, walaupun
So,
itu tidak sangat
what's the
dekat sama
closest thing
sekali.
in the whole universe, physical universe? Diamond.
Apa
How
yang
close
paling
is it?
mendekati
Not
di
at all.
dunia fisik untuk memahami ini adalah
And
diamond.
that's why I
Kalau
think
lainnya
Buddha
tidak ada sama
added the
sekali.
word cutter to the
Itulah
Diamond
kenapa
Sutra.
Buddha menyebut
Because
kata
it's
cutter
not,
di dalam
it's
Diamond
not
Cutter
close.
Sutra.
Cut.
Walaupun itu
Don't
semestinya
cut it.
tidak dekat,
And
justru itu
don't
adalah
confuse it into,
mematahkannya.
they call it the Diamond Sutra. That's very, very wrong. It's Vajra Chedaka Sutra, which means diamond cutter sutra. And what it
Di
means,
buku
cutter
Vajra
means
Sadaka Sutra itu ada
even
disebut
diamond is
kata-kata
not
Diamond Cutter
close,
Sutra,
but
yang
it's
artinya
the
walaupun
closest.
semestinya diamond itu
Okay?
sendiri tidak begitu
So
dekat.
in that moment,
Jadi
in
pada
those
saat
5
itu,
minutes or something,
dalam
I
sekitar 5 menit,
decide
saya
I
memutuskan
must touch
saya
diamonds.
harus menyebut,
Must
saya harus
be
menyentuh
close to diamonds.
eh,
Any way
berlian,
I
saya
can
harus
do it.
dekat dengan
And it took me
berlian dan
it took me
bagaimanapun caranya saya
years
eh,
to get
mendekatkan
into
diri
the
saya
diamond business. It's
untuk
like trying to join the
buat
mafia.
saya mau
And they're
mengingatkan hal
like,
ini
well,
ya.
who do you know in
Saya bahkan masuk ke dalam dunia
I don't know
berlian,
anybody.
saya bahkan
But
mengenal para mafia di bisnis
many.
ini.
I got
Jadi
kicked out of 30 companies.
saya pernah
So
keluar
anyway,
masuk di berbagai perusahaan
I
berlian
started this
untuk
diamond business
mempelajarinya,
with some
kurang lebih
friends.
30 perusahaan.
My only goal for
Tujuan utama
19
saya
years
selama
was to touch a diamond
19
every day.
tahun
That's
adalah
all.
untuk
I don't
dekat
care about
dengan
money. I used
berlian.
all the money for
Saya nggak
Japanese
tahu,
project.
saya tidak peduli dengan uang yang saya miliki,
And
ya. Berbagai macam
but I didn't
proyek-proyek yang
care
saya
about
kerjakan
jewelry at all.
yang
I
membutuhkan
still don't care
uang,
about
saya
jewelry.
tidak begitu peduli dengan
And I wasn't.
perhiasan. Saya bukan peduli dengan perhiasannya, namun
Nobody knew
bisa
why I was
memahami,
there.
mendekati
Sometimes my
arti
partner
berlian
would
ini.
ask me, "Why are you here? What are you doing here?" And I'm like,
Kadang-kadang
"That's
orang-orang
my
di sekitar saya juga
private thing."
heran, ya.
Yeah,
Eh,
but I
Teman
just
saya kadang
wanted to
tanya, kenapa
touch
kamu di sini?
diamonds
Apa yang kamu
all day
lakukan di
long.
sini? Nah,
And
intinya adalah saya
we
mendekatkan diri
did
saya pada berlian ini.
towards the end, we
Sampai
processed 300,000 diamonds every day. And we have
kalian
a
kalau tahu dalam
special
pekerjaan
building
saya, kita
with a
memproses
special place.
300.000 berlian
Like I
sepanjang
said,
hari.
if an
Ada sebuah
armored
gedung,
car comes
ya,
from
di
under the building, we close the iron gates and
kalau
we take
ketika kita
bags
memproses
of
itu,
diamonds out of the
kita
truck and we
melihat
put them
bahwa
in the
berlian itu
elevator.
setiap hari kita sortir dan
Millions of diamonds every
dimasukkan
few
dalam
weeks.
kotak-kotak yang khusus, ya. Dan ketika
And
kita
those
menyortirnya,
19 years,
ada pintu khusus yang
doing
menutupnya.
millions of diamonds every 2 weeks, I never
Kita
saw a perfect diamond.
Ketika saya menyortir beribu-ribu dan berjuta-juta diamond setiap minggunya, berpuluh-puluh juta jumlahnya, tidak pernah saya melihat satupun diamond yang sangat sempurna.
Dealing with millions and many millions of diamonds,
Jadi
I
dari
never
pengalaman-pengalaman
saw
saya
and I
yang
never
berkaitan
touched
dengan
a perfect
berlian
diamond.
yang
Okay?
berjuta-juta ini,
There is
saya
such
tidak
a thing.
pernah
It's
menyentuh
called
atau
blue
melihat
collar.
satupun berlian yang
You
sangat
talk to
sempurna.
foreigners, IF,
Ada
they
berlian yang
can't tell you
sangat
that there
sangat
is such a
bening,
thing. It's extremely
tidak
rare.
ada cacatnya sama
And,
sekali, ya.
okay,
Itu pun
and
pernah saya lihat dan
someone
saya
gave me
rasakan.
one not too long ago.
Seperti
Thank
ini
you.
yang saya pegang,
And
ada yang
I
memberikannya
keep
pada
it in
saya.
my, well, I shouldn't
Terima
tell you.
kasih.
It's right next to Tsongkhapa on my altar, okay, if you ever need money. Uh, but
Itu dekat
I'm
dengan
going to hand it around.
Songkapa.
And
Saya
just
tidak
touch it.
membutuhkan uang, namun
It's
saya
good luck.
membutuhkan hal-hal
In
seperti ini.
19 years, I never
Anda
touched
boleh
it.
menyentuhnya, karena itu akan
I feel pretty
mendatangkan
good. It's a perfect diamond.
keberuntungan.
You can hand it around, people can touch it. No.
Anda boleh
Don't open, no, you
boleh
lose it. It'll fall out.
jangan
So
jangan
please
dibuka.
don't
Anda
open it.
boleh menyentuhnya saja untuk mendatangkan
But I
keberuntungan buat
trust you, which is
masing-masing
why
Anda.
I'm handing it around. Okay. Why did I bring that today
Kenapa saya membahas ini
to
hari
you
ini
guys? Number one,
kepada
because
kalian?
Michael likes to show off.
Jangan berpikir
My
bahwa saya akan
friends know
memamerkan
that,
apa yang saya
right,
miliki.
Jingmei? So, but the other reason is
Namun
we're
alasan
going to
saya
talk
adalah
about Downjorn. Say Downjorn.
kita akan membahas tentang
Downjorn
downjohn.
means
Sebutkan kata ini. Downjohn artinya
all the things about
adalah semua hal-hal
allow
yang
you
ada
to
dalam
practice.
hidup Anda yang
Like
mengizinkan Anda
if
untuk
you
berlatih.
you have a human body,
Anda memiliki
it
tubuh
didn't
manusia
fall apart yet.
yang masih
You
belum
have a good
terpecah-pecah
mind
saat ini. Anda masih memiliki pikiran
without
yang
having
bagus,
war,
dan Anda
nuclear
masih
war
berada
doesn't
dalam
happen.
keadaan yang baik-baik
You
saja,
know,
tidak ada
we are living
peperangan
in
di sekitar
great
Anda,
times. You have
di
John
mana
Bruce
kita masih
Carrier, you have
memiliki waktu yang sangat
sages
indah di masa
teaching
kita hidup
business
saat ini.
people. You have
Anda masih
all the
melihat John Brady
translation. You
mengajar
have
para pebisnis.
extraordinary
Anda masih
resources
memiliki
to study.
sumber-sumber
You
yang sangat
sit
bagus
here,
untuk mempelajarinya.
you know, and you don't understand that you are 1 in 100 million.
Anda
Okay?
kadang-kadang
Each
tidak
person
paham
here
bahwa Anda adalah satu
is
dari
1 in 100 million.
beratus juta orang
You are more rare than that
yang
diamond.
lebih
Each person
jarang
here
ya
is more
daripada
rare.
berlian ini.
And
Kalian yang
I
belajar
was
di
talking to
sini, yang
Peter Maria the
mempelajari
other day.
ini,
To
termasuk
find
orang-orang
a
yang
good
sangat
student,
jarang sekali.
you work for years, you know, and then you find one, and then they
Demi
drop
murid-murid
out the
yang
next
kalian
week, you know,
ajarkan,
right?
ya, kalian telah
So
bekerja
I mean,
berminggu-minggu.
you are rare. You people
Anda
are
termasuk
much more rare than this
manusia-manusia yang
diamond,
jarang,
and much
bahkan
more
lebih
valuable.
jarang
You
daripada
know,
berlian-berlian
extraordinary
itu tadi.
to be
Anda
alive,
sangatlah
to have
jarang
both
untuk
kidneys
tetap
working,
hidup,
or even
untuk
one,
terus membuat proyek-proyek
okay,
itu terus berjalan,
to have a mind, to
untuk
have
terus
the
memiliki
ability to
pikiran,
travel, to
untuk
go to
memiliki kemampuan
classes,
untuk
okay,
berperjalanan, untuk bisa
lots and lot
mengikuti
in the world.
kelas-kelas
You are so,
di dunia ini. Kalian
you are much
sangat-sangatlah
more rare than that diamond. Okay, so
jarang
that's what we're going to talk
daripada
about
berlian yang
today.
tadi saya sebutkan itu.
That's what
Inilah
this
yang akan
class
kita
is
bahas
about.
hari
Say
ini.
Del Jor.
Inilah nama
Del Jor.
kelas ini yang disebut Dal
It
Jor.
means the specific things about your mind and your heart and your body that are priceless. Much more rare than this diamond. Okay, each person here is 1 in 100 million. Really, I'm not exaggerating. I like to exaggerate. I don't know why. But you are more rare than that. You know, if you are sitting here in this class, and it's funny because half the people in here are like, Geshe, I'm not a good person. You're 1 in 100 million, goddamn. You know, you are. I don't care if you think you're good or not. If you're here, that's proof that you are. Out of 100 million people, you are the best. Seriously, inside. Okay, inside. You are very valuable. And you are valuable for the future for other people.
Anda sangat berharga untuk masa depan untuk semua
You
orang,
are
semua
learning
makhluk.
something. You
Kalau
are
Anda berada di
extremely
sini mempelajari
valuable.
sesuatu,
Each
Anda
time
sangat-sangatlah berharga.
Peter, Maria, John,
Setiap saat Peter, Maria, John, Jigme, ketika kita mengajarkan orang-orang,
did a wonderful 1 month
Sikji juga telah melakukan suatu hal yang luar biasa untuk pengajaran para guru-guru. Ya, setiap orang dari kalian yang keluar dari training adalah sangat-sangat berharga, adalah jauh lebih berharga daripada berlian tadi. Mereka sangat berharga. Dan kondisi-kondisi itu kadang-kala tidak akan berakhir. Tubuh kalian tidak akan berakhir. Kemampuan kalian untuk berpergian, untuk kemauan kalian untuk duduk mendengarkan kelas-kelas. Dan karena tubuh ini akanlah meninggal, tubuh ini akan selesai. Namun keinginan itu sangatlah luar biasa sekali, maka itu kalian harus menggunakan dengan sangat-sangat baik. Inilah yang akan kita bahas di Lamrim hari ini. Siapa berliannya? Di mana berliannya? Di dalam hati kalian. Ya, kalianlah yang sangat-sangat jauh berharga daripada berlian itu. Setiap saat ketika kita memiliki kelas untuk persiapan Diamond ini, saya akan menunjukkan pada kalian salah satu dari 12 latihan yang kita buat ketika kita menerjemahkan buku Songkapa ini. Dan itu saya
So there's
kerjakan
a set
sendiri
of 12
dengan Rob.
posters
Jadi ini
that
adalah
can
salah
give
satu dari
advice for
12
your
poster
life.
itu
Okay.
yang akan
I was
memberikan
thinking,
nasihat
I don't know,
untuk diri
someday we
Anda,
have to
untuk hidup
print them
Anda.
and sell them, right, Tim, to
Mungkin ada
people.
teman-teman di
Like
sini
a,
yang telah
yeah.
mengeprint dan menjualnya
So
untuk
here's the
donasi.
poster for this
Ini
time.
adalah poster untuk
And
saat
it's the
ini.
12th of the original posters. And these are,
Ini satu dari
each
12
poster gives
poster
you a
yang
suggestion
eh,
for your life.
yang
This
aslinya.
poster says, get
Arti
away
dari
and
poster
go
ini
do
adalah
retreat somewhere. Okay, get away.
keluarlah dan
We
ikutilah
just had
retreat
a
suatu saat nanti.
wonderful 10-day
Kita telah
innovation
melakukan
retreat. Stanley
10
Chen, Stanley,
hari
thank
retreat
you.
yang sangat inovatif ya, Stanley. Terima kasih atas usahanya.
And we had 40 participants. These
Dan
are
kita memiliki 40
high-powered
peserta.
business people
Ini adalah orang-orang
that we
yang
are
memiliki
trying
kemampuan
to
bisnis yang luar biasa.
pass on
Dan kami
the
berusaha
methods of
untuk
finding new products, new
melanjutkan
ideas, new markets, innovation
pelajaran-pelajaran
through
ini
retreat.
ya
That's a
melalui
new idea for
banyak penemuan-penemuan
corporations.
ide-ide
Does it
kooperatif
work?
ya melalui perusahaan-perusahaan supaya bisa
Guess who
terus
built the
eh,
largest
melan-
jewelry
berlanjut
company in the world?
ajaran-ajaran ini.
It was bought by Warren Buffett. Maybe it works.
Apakah itu berhasil?
Okay. I'm just saying. I don't know, there's 100,000 jewelry
Ada
companies in
ratusan
the world.
banyak
Okay.
perusahaan
The
berlian di seluruh
largest
dunia
was
ya,
built with
yang
new products
terbesar
and
dibangun dengan
methods
menggunakan
that
produk-produk
were
yang bagus
invented
dengan
during deep
metode-metode yang
retreat.
bagus.
And specific deep retreat is like a
Dan
3-day, 4-day, 10-day deep
biasanya
retreat.
untuk retreat-retreat
So
yang
I'd like
bagus
to
antara 3
congratulate
hari,
Stanley
4
for
hari,
that. That was
ataupun
wonderful. And
beberapa hari. Dan saya ingin mengucapkan selamat buat Stanley yang
I
membuat
think
retreat 10 hari ini.
I think
Sangat
12 of
luar
the
biasa.
retreatants are here. And could you stand up if you were one of the retreatants? Can you stand up?
Ya, ada beberapa juga orang-orang yang mengikuti retreat ini. Silakan berdiri.
No, I mean this last week. This week, yeah, these guys, yeah. So they were working on special
Ya, mereka
projects
adalah
that they
orang-orang
would
yang mengerjakan
special
proyek-proyek
projects to work
khusus
on to invent a new
yang
process
menciptakan
to
proses
create a
yang
new product.
baru,
Yeah,
bagaimana
we
menciptakan
did.
produk
It
yang
was a
baru.
great job. They did a great job.
Itu merupakan tugas yang bagus
They were
sekali.
very brave
Mereka sangat
to
berani
come to a foreign
untuk
country
datang ke
and go to
negara
a
asing
very wild place
dan datang
and
ke
have
tempat
a
yang
deep retreat there.
bagus,
I'm
melakukan
very
retreat
happy
yang sangat mendalam.
and very grateful. And
Saya sangat
you guys did a
bahagia
great
dan
job. I heard you
bersyukur
did a
melihat
good job.
kalian
That's
semua.
what
Kalian melakukan hal-hal yang luar
all
biasa.
right. Here's a picture
Oke, ini adalah
of
gambarnya
those guys. This is their
dari
corporate
mereka.
homework. They
Ini
are
adalah
doing
PR
the
perusahaan.
wisdom mantras at Diamond Mountain. Okay.
Mereka
So
melakukan
this is a picture from last
pembacaan
week.
mantra-mantra kebijaksanaan di
We
Diamond
chose
Mountain
Diamond
ini.
Mountain because
Kita memilih
it's one
Diamond
of
Mountain
the
ini
wildest places,
adalah
emptiest
salah
places
satu
in the world.
tempat yang paling tenang di dunia,
We calculated
yang
how close to it's 2 hours to the grocery store.
kita juga mengukur
It's purposely
bagaimana
right in
tempat
the middle
ini
of nowhere.
bisa menjangkau tempat lain.
That's a
Jaraknya
very,
cukup
very
jauh, sekitar 2 kilo,
good thing. And I think to
dan
me,
merupakan tempat yang sangat
when you talk
bagus.
about how precious
Kalau
is your
Anda membahas
mind
tentang
and your
bagaimana
body, how precious they
berharganya
are.
pikiran dan tubuhmu,
You are
sebagaimana
part of a
berharganya
new
tubuhmu,
generation. And I
maka
told
kalian
some
adalah
friends
bagian dari generasi-generasi
recently,
yang harus. Saya juga memberitahu teman-teman
my
saya terakhir ini,
I had 12 major teachers in the monastery. I
saya
had 12
memiliki 12 guru
teachers. Some of
utama
them
di
spent
monasteri ini.
25 years teaching me.
Mereka
The
meluangkan
last one
sekitar
passed away this
12
year.
tahun dalam
They're all
mengajarkan
gone
saya.
now.
Yang
My 12
terakhir telah
teachers are
meninggal.
gone.
Seluruh guru-guru saya telah
And
meninggal.
that's the way it is. That's the way things
Itulah
go.
bagaimana hal-hal itu
And then
berjalan di dunia ini.
I don't know, John will appreciate it, I think. I was thinking about the future of my monastery. My monastery
Saya juga
was
memikirkan
started
masa
in
depan dari monasteri saya sendiri. Monasteri saya
1918
telah
or something like that. My monastery
berdiri
was
di
started
di tahun 1419.
And I'll be very honest, and I spent 25 years there, and I built
Saya
a
meluangkan
lot of
25
things.
tahun
I built
di
a
sana.
library.
Saya
I
melakukan
built a
banyak hal di
school
situ. Saya membangun perpustakaan,
for
membangun
children.
sekolah untuk
Somebody's
anak-anak,
here who helped support this.
membangun
Can you
ruangan-ruangan di
stand
sana.
up, Candy Lai? Are you here? Yeah. Where are you? Yeah.
Nah, ini pustaka berdiri Candlelight, ya.
I gave it. We built the school. It's a
Kita
huge school.
membangun
I
sekolah
gave a
tersebut.
talk there.
Saya ada memberikan
I,
ceramah
they
di
asked me
sana.
to give a talk at the opening of the school. This is
Mereka meminta saya
25
membuka
years ago. 25 years ago.
sekolah tersebut dengan pidato saya,
So I'm
dan saya
trying to
diundang ke
impress
sana.
these kids, monk
Jadi saya
kids,
berusaha
and
untuk
I'm like,
memberikan kesan yang baik
who
buat
can
anak-anak
tell
di
me the
sana.
difference between a human and a dog?
Saya
And I
bertanya,
thought they would say
siapa yang bisa
education.
memberitahu saya perbedaan antara manusia
And
dan
then
anjing?
I said, what's the difference between a human and a dog? And one man looked at
Mereka
me.
menjawab,
I know.
apa perbedaan antara anjing dan antara anjing dan manusia? Saya
So
tahu, gitu ya.
which means, oh, respected sir,
Saya tahu. Artinya
dogs have tails.
anjing punya ekor, manusia tidak.
And recently I met a geshe in New York.
Terakhir ini saya juga bertemu seorang
He
geshe di New
says,
York.
I know you.
Dia mengatakan,
And I said,
dia
how do
tanya
you know
saya
me?
dan
He says,
mengatakan,
you
saya tahu
built the
kenal
school
Anda.
where I studied.
Eh,
You and
Bagaimana
Candy
Anda
built
kenal
the school
saya?
where I studied.
Anda yang membangun
And I'm like,
sekolah kan? Kamu dan
I'm
Candila
sorry,
yang membangun
you changed
sekolah.
a little bit. And he said, well, I once answered a question about a dog. And I'm like,
Kemudian dia bilang, oh, saya lah yang menjawab pertanyaan tentang
anyway, something happened to me when
anjing
my
itu.
last teacher passed away. And I was
Bagaimanapun juga
thinking
ketika
about
saya
mental health
mengingat
warriors.
bagaimana guru yang saya yang terakhir meninggal,
And I'll
saya
tell you
memikirkan
something
bagaimana
very
saya
close to my heart
meluangkan
because
25
I
tahun
lived
hidup
that
saya
place.
di sana.
Uh,
Saya sangat
I thought those
mengingat itu
days
dengan
were gone.
memori-memori yang indah.
I
Saya
thought the
merasakan
days of
bagaimana
those
hari-hari itu telah
places were
berlalu.
gone.
Saya merasakan
But
bagaimana
thank the
hari-hari
Lord,
indah
in
saya
the
di sana telah
25
eh,
difficult years,
berlalu juga.
I think the training of five houses,
Begitu juga dengan training-training yang saya jalankan di sini. Segala sesuatu yang saya lakukan, training
these are
tentang
all
5
to
rumah
me
dan training-training tentang
worthwhile.
ELL,
And I
itu
think they
adalah
are the
suatu
future.
perjalanan dan
I think they
kegiatan-kegiatan yang
will.
sangat indah yang saya lakukan, yang
They will
sangat
change the
berharga
world
buat masa depan nanti,
than
yang akan
those
merubah dunia
ancient,
jauh lebih banyak.
monasteries where very few people come out of them. Very few people go anywhere. They just live there. And
Banyak
it's
orang
only a few thousand people.
yang telah
So I think when I see this picture, I call it the new galaxy.
ketika saya melihat gambar
I
ini,
think
saya
you are the
menyebutnya
stars.
galaksi yang baru.
Okay?
Kalianlah
I don't mean
para
Roswell
bintang-bintang
star.
itu.
Star in the sky. You are the light. I think
Saya
it's
tidak hanya melihat
beacons
itu
in five
sebagai
houses.
bintang yang
These
di
guys,
langit. Kalianlah
John
eh,
Squires, all these
yang
guys.
memberikan sinar buat dunia ini nantinya di masa
I
depan.
believe, and I
Saya
like
percaya
these
dan saya
monasteries. I
sangat
love them.
menyukai monasteri ini. Saya peduli buat mereka.
I built more monasteries than any human in the world, I think.
Saya telah banyak
But I
membangun
don't
banyak
think.
monasteri dari banyak orang
I think you are the
di
future,
dunia ini.
okay?
Dan
And I think
kalianlah
what you
para
can do
masa
if you
depan
can train
yang akan membuka
will
jalan.
change more people and will help more
Ketika
people.
kalian mengajar, kalian
I
telah
think so,
membantu
okay?
semakin banyak orang.
But
Dan tetapi
you have to take the diamond of your life and
Anda
you
harus
have to
mengambil
use it
berlian
well,
dalam hidup Anda
okay?
dan Anda harus
You have
menggunakan dengan baik-baik.
you have to learn to use it well, okay? You
Anda
have to
harus
take the
belajar bagaimana
diamond
menggunakannya dengan
that you
bijaksana.
have,
Berlian
and
yang
you
Anda
are the
miliki,
hope for the future. The people in this room are the
Anda
hope
harus
for the future,
menggunakannya dengan
basically.
baik.
Okay, there's other groups that we have. We have DCIS. We have these other groups. They are all
Ada
same.
banyak
They are
grup-grup yang kita
galaxy,
miliki.
future galaxy. They
Mereka
are all
adalah
stars. They're all
galaksi di masa
precious.
depan. Mereka
But
sangat
you are
berharga.
the one
Mereka lah
that
para
I think
bintang-bintang. Dan
people in this
kalianlah
room,
harapan-harapan manusia di
you
dunia
are
di
the
masa
hope for
depan.
the future. And
Kalianlah
I would
harapan buat
say,
buat masa depan
so
dunia
recently I
ini.
was translating a new book.
Terakhir ini
This is
saya
a book
juga
by Arya
menerjemahkan
Nagarjuna.
sebuah buku yang
Nagarjuna
ditulis oleh
wrote,
Arya Nagarjuna.
we found me and Stanley, something.
Kita
140 books about
menerjemahkan sekitar menerjemahkan
Only
140 buku
two are
Nagarjuna.
letters
Hanya
to
dua
kings. And he was
adalah
asked by
surat-surat
the king of
pada
the
raja
Gandhara
ketika dia
for
diminta
advice,
untuk
and Nagarjuna
ketika
wrote
dia
two
bertanya
letters
pada raja,
to kings.
Dia sudah
And they
menjawabnya
are
dalam bentuk surat
exquisite,
tersebut dan
and
mereka
they
sangat
are special
luar biasa
because
dan
they were
spesial
not
karena
written for
mereka
monks or nuns. They
tidak
were
ditulis
written
untuk para
for
biksu dan para biksuni.
normal politicians.
Mereka ditulis untuk para
Okay?
manusia yang
No, I mean
berprofesi umum,
business
untuk para
leaders.
politisi
These two
dan
letters
orang-orang
are
umum.
extraordinary.
Jadi
They were
dua surat ini adalah surat
written
yang sangat spesial
for
yang ditulis
normal
untuk mereka
family
para orang-orang yang
working
memiliki
people. They were written for working people.
posisi dan
And so I was
jabatan-jabatan umum
working
ya,
on this
para
and I
perumah
found a
tangga dan para
commentary
pebisnis sekalian.
by Tsongkhapa's teacher. Okay, which to be the teacher of the greatest Buddhist who ever lived must be pretty cool guy. And his name, say Rendawa. Yeah, his name was Rendawa. Okay, and he wrote an exquisite commentary to Nagarjuna. Okay, and so I finished translating it. It took me about 2 months, 3 months. And my teacher taught me this book 40 years ago. And so it was something cool for me to translate it 40 years later. And it's here. Okay. Can you hold it up? Can you take it out? Hold it? You can pass it around, okay? The manuscript is a slim 600 pages. And you can just hand it around. You can poke into it. That's Rendawa on the cover, by the way. And the reason I'm showing it to you, Rosa doesn't, where is Rosa? Is Rosa here? Rosa doesn't like it when I let books out early. But she's on her way. I can do anything. Okay. They're not ready to print. They have to be fixed by Anatole, who's where is Anatole? Are you here? Can you stand up? You should thank him. Yeah. He works many hours every day to
Dia
polish
bekerja
them.
beberapa jam setiap hari untuk memperbaiki bukunya, menyempurnakan bukunya. Dia melakukan tugas yang sangat baik. Utpala juga telah meluangkan beberapa telah mengerjakan buku-buku seperti ini. Silakan berdiri, Utpala. Terima kasih. Kenapa saya menunjukkan kalian buku-buku ini? Saya sangat ingin tahu dan sangat ini ya, ingin tahu buat mempelajari guru-guru seperti besar seperti Tsongkhapa. Saya ingin mengetahui bagaimana cerita kehidupannya. Jadi saya menerjemahkan dan saya mencari di database John Brady dan saya menemukan kurang lebih 100 cerita hidupnya. Database John Brady sangat keren sekali. Jadi saya mengumpulkan cerita-cerita dari yang ada di database ini. Kurang lebih ada 100 cerita yang saya kumpulkan untuk mendeskripsikan tentang Tsongkhapa. Ada salah satu cerita yang
There's 16 steps how to use your flawless diamond life well, okay? So, Grandpa took them out, Grandpa made a list, and Tim printed it, I hope. Did you? You ready? It's time. You got it? Oh, nice. Okay, everybody has a copy. 16 guidelines to have a good life, all right? And that's how I would like to teach Delmjor. That's how I would like to teach the value of a human life, okay? Here are 16 suggestions for living a good life, okay? I got it here. 16 suggestions for 16 suggestions for living a good life. I think if you follow these 16, we finish this part of the book, okay? All right? Okay, so here we're going to go through them one by one, all right? I can't read it anyway. Okay, thanks. Say Rigla, Signe, Kewa, Shetsu. Let's see, I gotta watch the time because I tend to talk too much. Okay, huh? In 29 minutes and 17 seconds. All right. I might run over to tomorrow, okay? Don't worry about it. Rik means, in Tibetan language, Rik means family, especially in society. Like, where's the level of your family? It's called Rik. It's also used in the 5 Buddha families. They are also called Rik. Rigna, okay, the 5 Buddha families. So you can say, Sikh is a very polite word for Chenre Sikh, to look, avaloka, look down at all the people's problems, okay? So, Rikla Signe, Kewa, birth, She means
Artinya,
he agreed to do it, okay? So there's Kewa means, Kewa is sort of a bad word in Buddhism. It means forced to take a birth. Then they added a second verb. He agreed to the deal, okay? They're like, would you take birth on our planet? And he's like, yeah, okay. That's called Kewa She, agreed to take birth, okay? So I translated it. He orchestrated his birth, and he chose a good family. Good means what's a useful family at that time in that part of the world, okay? It could be any family, but in that particular society, in that particular time, what's a useful family to be born into? And people choose, okay? Great beings choose, okay? All you parents can be suspicious of your kids, that they chose you, okay? They choose you, all right? So he chose his parents, and he chose to take birth in a certain place, okay? So if I tell you, there's 16 things I want you to do, please take birth in a useful family, in a useful country, okay? Now it's too late, but I'm talking next time. I am talking next time, okay? You've been born many millions of times. Be more careful. Choose your family carefully, okay? And you will have some power over it, okay? You don't know how to do it yet. That's a later class, okay? But put it in your heart now that Grandpa expects you to make a careful selection next time of what family, in what country, in what language, in male or
karena
female
di
body, what will be most useful for you to teach next time, okay? And don't think it's a stupid or crazy thing. I'm working on it now, myself, okay? You gotta understand how to do it, and then you have to do it, okay? He chose his country and his language and his people, his sex. He chose everything carefully, okay? So that's part of using your diamond well, okay?
diamond
Second
kalian
one.
dengan baik. Ya. Yang kedua adalah
Those of you who know Tibetan, Nampartarpa, Namtar
kalau
means,
kalian tahu tentang bahasa
in
Tibetan,
this
ya,
case it means, what's the story?
tentang biografi,
And Shu
tentang
means when he was
story,
young, how did he
ketika dia masih muda,
spend his time?
bagaimana
how
dia
did he
meluangkan
prepare
waktunya,
for his
bagaimana
adulthood?
dia menyiapkan
Even
dirinya,
as an elementary school kid, as a little
walaupun
kid,
sebagai seorang anak yang kecil,
how did he prepare himself? And
bagaimana dia menyiapkan
usually this
dirinya.
involves learning to read, learning to write, learning basic
Biasanya
maths.
dia mempersiapkan
You're
dirinya untuk
elementary
belajar, membaca,
education, okay?
menulis, mempersiapkan
You don't think about it,
kemampuannya.
and we don't appreciate elementary school teachers.
Kadang-kadang kita tidak memikirkan
They are
itu,
the
bahkan kita
backbone
tidak
of a
begitu
country,
menghargai
and they're
sekolah
the lowest
dasar,
paid.
padahal mereka
Okay,
adalah
they
tulang
are.
punggung suatu negara.
If you have good teachers of
Kalau Anda
children,
memiliki guru
your
yang baik
country
untuk
is
anak-anak,
successful,
maka
and
negara
you
Anda
don't pay them
akan berhasil.
anything.
Anda
So
tidak membayar mereka apapun.
he knew that. He was very careful. Shunu. There's
Dia
a
tahu, dia
author
sangat
also.
berhati-hati.
His monk's name was Shunu Lodru. Say Shunu
Nama biksunya
Lodru.
adalah Sunu Lodru.
His
Dunu
general name is
Lodru.
Rendawa. Rendawa
Nama
means
umumnya adalah
Shanghai
Rendawa.
guy.
Nanwa
That's
artinya
his place
adalah
name.
Shanghai.
Okay, that's
Eh,
where
man-
that's the place where he
laki-laki Shanghai.
was
Itu
born.
di mana dia
Renda.
dilahirkan
Okay,
di
and
sebuah
he's
kota
called Mr.
namanya
Remba,
Rendawa dan
but
dia
his
disebut Mr.
personal
Remba.
name is
Namun
Shunu,
nama pribadinya
Young
adalah
Wisdom.
Shuno Bodu, Young Wisdom.
The one
Artinya
and only
adalah
in
kebijaksanaan
Sanskrit.
yang mudah.
All right. So anyway, I'm asking you next time. Okay. Don't think there won't be a next time. You go faster than you think. Have the intention to prepare yourself well during your childhood. Okay? I'm going to crack the books, and I'm going to listen to my mom and dad, and I'm going to be a good girl or a good boy. Okay? All right? It's not crazy. I'm asking you to use your diamond. Okay? And you have to start as a child. And isn't that interesting? Everybody in the world dies. Everybody. There's no course at Princeton or Harvard, maybe at DSU, I don't know, about how to die well and how to die intelligently. There's no course because they don't know what's going to happen, right? You will come back. By the way, you need mathematical proof. You ready? If something can happen once, it can happen twice. Duh. I had a ballet teacher. She's like, duh. You know. I mean, come on. If you can come once, and time is unending, you can come twice. Okay? So get ready. It's not stupid to get ready. It's not stupid to set your intention. I'm going to study really good in elementary. I'm going to listen to I will put a few thumbtacks on the teacher's chair, but in general, I will be a good student. Okay? All right. Number 3. Gejong Chepe Chime Tenso. At a fairly young age, he took his bodhisattva vows and his basic 10 vows when he was 15 years old, like that, okay? He got his vows early, okay? And that's a good goal. He got his bodhisattva vows at 15, before he took his monk's vows, because you can't take monk's vows, full monk's vows, until you're 21, okay? So he took his vows, and he followed the vows, okay? He took vows. He made it a point in his lifetime, I gotta take some vows. I gotta take some normal vows, okay? Why are we having this class? We are preparing to take diamond way vows, okay? You are preparing to be granted the extraordinary good luck, the diamond of all diamonds, to take diamond way vows, okay? You are training to do that, okay? He took his vows and he kept them well, okay? All his vows, bodhisattva vows, Vinaya vows, Pratimoksha vows, Tantric vows, he kept them, okay? How many we got? 4. We got 12 more. Okay? 16 suggestions. From whom? Renda. This dude is Tsongkhapa's teacher. Come on. All right? Like Jesus' teacher, private teacher. Okay? That's his position. That's who he is. Okay? And by the way, that book, I'm trying to push to get it printed quickly because it's a wonderful, wonderful introduction to Buddhism. It's a complete introduction to Buddhism, written by the greatest emptiness teacher in history, Nagarjuna. Okay? All right. Number 4. Tambe ngakbe tachi tensu. Even as a young person, teenager, he acted in a kind way towards other people, and he watched his viewpoints, okay? Meaning, he's very sensitive to the fact that he created all the people he met, okay? There's an old Diamond Mountain joke. We were studying this subject for a long time. A new person came. They were irritating. I would say number 1 irritating person I've met at Diamond Mountain. And they were irritating everybody. And then I remember they stood up and they were surrounded by a bunch of old Diamond Mountain people, and this lady said, she looked around and she said, "I'm surrounded by idiots," you know. And everybody's like, right? Because you create all the people around you. Get it? Everyone around you is a mirror of you. Okay? Everyone around you is a mirror of you. You know, what you see when you look at other people is you. Okay? So anyway, he not only acted nicely towards other people, but he understood that they are the mirror of him. You know, every person he met, he understood what I see is who I am. Okay? Even as a young, like a teenager or something. Okay? That's number 4. We're getting into ones that you can do now. You don't have to wait for next life. Okay? You can look at other people and say, I'm so glad I know Haggerty because he's my reflection. You know? And I'm proud of that reflection. Like that. Okay? All right. Number 5. Kibu Damba Kube Densu. How he took himself to holy teachers for study and spiritual development. Okay? And he had the opportunity to study with the greatest teachers of his time, especially Togme Sambo. Togme Sambo pretty much invented Lojo. Okay? 37 practices of the Bodhisattva were written by Togme Sambo. So here's Rendawa's root Lama is pretty much the one who invented Lojo. Okay? That's not bad, right? He also studied with Tsongkhapa after he got to know him. And it's a very rare circumstance where they taught and studied with each other. You know, sometimes Rendawa would teach, and sometimes Tsongkhapa would teach. Okay, got it? Cool. And they did that for many lifetimes. And we even know their names in those lifetimes. And it's really cool to read that biography. Okay. All right. So I wrote an introduction to that book. The introduction got so long that I moved it to the back of the book because I thought no one would read the book. So there's a long 100-page biography of Rendawa in the back. It is exquisite. It's an exquisite thing. And how he studied, what he chose to study. And I'll tell you something that means a lot to me, okay? Uh, the teachers he chose and the subjects he studied were the exact Geshe course. Every year. He studied, by coincidence, exactly what a modern Geshe studies. He studied the exact course of great books that the Geshe program studies. You can say he invented the Geshe course, okay? And you can say that he learned it himself from his teachers. And it's a beautiful, beautiful thing, okay? For me, it means a lot, okay? Tens of thousands of Geshes in history have followed him, okay? That's something. The classics, studying the classics, okay. By the way, I feel strongly that we should study the classics, even in these courses. So tomorrow morning, am I right? We will have our normal translator class. And because of the time that they opened this place, we will not do early meditation. In Rimrock, we do a 7 a.m. meditation for the local friends. We can meditate together once a week. And then we do the translator class. So what we have to do here, because of the opening time, is we will have the translator class at 8 a.m. here. Yeah. And we have 12 translators studying, and Tim is one. And so Tim will be having his class tomorrow morning, okay? Tim is translating Prajna Paramita, meaning part of the middle way school. He's translating. He has a book to translate, which will take 56 years to finish. Okay, how we're gonna do that? We might have to pick up in the next life. Okay, I don't know. We'll see. All right. So anyway, Rendawa did his homework, and he worked hard to find the right teachers, and he studied. Now listen, something very important. Only Rendawa learned the great classics on emptiness by Nagarjuna, Shantideva, and Chandakirti. Okay, only Rendawa had that transmission at that time. The only place that Tsongkhapa could have learned emptiness was Rendawa. Nobody else knew it. Nobody else could understand it. He was the one person who understood emptiness in Tibet at that time. Okay, so that's pretty cool. He worked hard to get there. And we'll talk about that. Okay, number 6. We're not going to make it through 16, tell you that. Okay, how he devoted himself to learning what the Buddha really meant, which is called Gongba. Say Gongba. Gongba means what the teacher really means. Okay,
Artinya apa yang dimaksud oleh guru tersebut? Di dalam hal ini adalah Lord Buddha. Ini adalah topik yang besar karena Buddha telah mengajarkan contoh-contoh dalam kekosongan dalam berbagai macam bentuk. Hanya kenapa dia memilih begitu macam kekosongan? Karena murid-muridnya belum siap. Dia mengecek murid-muridnya dan dia melihat bagaimana muridnya ini siap untuk mempelajari itu. Apa yang saya ajarkan tuh yang sangat luar biasa, beneran. Saya tidak berbohong. Ya, ini benar-benar secara serius. Dia tidak puas hanya dengan duduk di kelas mengikuti pelajarannya, namun dia benar-benar mencari lebih dalam lagi. Kalau Anda tertarik, Anda bisa mendapatkan bukunya dan Anda bisa mengikuti pelajaran-pelajarannya melalui pendidikan agama Buddha.
profound, the deepest understandings of a perfect view of reality. How did he see emptiness?
Bagaimana dia melihat kekosongan?
How did he see emptiness? What
Bagaimana
happened
dia
to
melihat
him?
kekosongan? Apa yang terjadi dengan semua makhluk setelah dia melihat kekosongan?
But it's exactly the same books that I'm teaching you. Okay?
Ini adalah buku yang sama yang saya ajarkan pada Anda. Dia menggunakan buku-buku itu juga. Benar-benar buku yang
That's
sama.
number 7. Ranga Shendel Namshe Zetsu. How he wrote commentaries on the classics.
Bagaimana dia menulis komentari di
Explained the
kelas-kelas klasik.
classics, and then he wrote new classics. Okay, and that part in his biography is, for me as a geshe, it's very interesting.
Kelas itu dan juga bagi saya sebagai geshe sangatlah menarik
Great commentary on
karena dia
each
menulis komentari yang sangat bagus dari setiap dari topik geshe yang dibahas
When
di
I say
kelasnya.
commentary, if you translate it
Ketika saya
into,
menyebutkan
they would be
komentari,
45,000 pages each.
kalian tahu dalam bahasa Inggris itu
And maybe you can
isinya
cover one
lebih dari
page a
5.000
day,
halaman
right? If you try to
setiapnya.
study them.
Kalau
You
Anda
can
mempelajarinya,
imagine this person,
bayangkan orang ini menulis
I don't know, 100,000 pages.
mungkin
It's
100.000
and they're
halaman,
all
sangat luar
amazing. And by
biasa.
the way,
Dan mereka semua
Integrated
ide-idenya
Project,
bagus sekali.
Nick,
Oh ya,
Lasha,
ngomong-ngomong,
Ben Kramer,
proyeknya
they
Genre di
found
Nick Lausau, mereka
a
menemukan
handwritten copy of his book.
kopi tulisan
And
dari
I
buku
got
ini,
the final
tulisan
input
tangan
this
dari
morning.
buku ini. Saya mendapatkan
It's
final input
14
pagi ini.
volumes. It's
Itu
14,000
adalah volume
pages.
14, ya.
And John's team input
Sekitar
those
4.
pages.
John
I
dan
got
tim
the
juga
last
menginput
volume this morning.
halaman-halaman ini.
Okay, they've been working on it for 5 years or something.
Mereka telah mengerjakannya selama 5
Right?
tahun. Sangat luar biasa.
And it's free.
Dan itu gratis semuanya.
Who is that? Oh, hi Malaysia.
Di
that's
mana itu?
Lasha.
Halo Malaysia. Oh, itu
That's
Lasha.
Lasha.
Hai.
Yeah, he sent it to me
Selamat
this morning.
siang. Dia
Looking at my
memberikan pada saya. Anda tidak melihat kotak saya kan dari sana?
No, they're over there. Okay.
Mereka ada di
All
sana.
right.
Oke.
Number 8.
Nomor 8.
Ranga Shendil Namshe Zetsu. Yeah, how did he write his commentaries? And how did
Bagaimana
he
dia
make
menulis
comments?
komentarinya, bagaimana dia menjelaskan buku tersebut.
His style of writing is uniquely.
Style gaya menulisnya sangatlah unik sekali,
This book is special
namun
because
bisa
it was
diakses, bisa
written
dipahami.
for a person who was not a monk. This book was written for a person who was not a monk.
Buku
And
ini
he talks
sebenarnya
about
ditulis untuk mereka yang
inside
bukan
the
para
book, he
biksu,
talks about it. Okay.
dan dia membahas tentang itu di dalam bukunya. Jadi Nagarjuna pun juga
Nagarjuna
membahasnya
wrote
dalam bukunya.
2
Arya
letters to
Nagarjuna
kings.
menulis 2
There's a third
surat
letter to a
untuk
king
para raja,
by a great scholar named Nagasena.
untuk
And we have those
ditulis oleh
letters to
seorang
kings.
pelajar
And they are
Nakashema.
extraordinary pieces of advice for business people. Because kings
Mereka
were the
berisi
ultimate business.
nasihat-nasihat untuk para
So
orang
Stanley
bisnis.
Shopping, we're working on a book.
Saya,
We wrote
Stanley, dan
Names of
juga
the
Shopping
Dragons,
juga
something
mengerjakan
like
buku
that.
itu. Kalian tahu namanya
And
Dragon Strategy.
it's how to use those 3 letters
Adalah
to
bagaimana
run a
menggunakan
business,
surat
okay?
itu
Successful
dalam
business.
menjalankan
Even
bisnis
if
yang
it's a
sukses.
non-profit, Tim. Okay?
Walaupun itu
Like
tidak
that. I think it's going to be cool.
profit, ya,
The
bukan
third book is
komersial.
called Malinda Paha in Pali.
Buku yang ketiga disebut Malinda Paha di bahasa
It means the
Pali.
questions of King Malinda,
Artinya adalah
which is a corruption of the
pertanyaan-pertanyaan
name
buat King
Menander,
Malinda.
which is a Greek name, and he was one of the Greek kings of India. So
Dia merupakan
Alexander
salah
the
satu
Great,
raja
with the help of his
uh,
teacher
Mesir di India,
Aristotle, conquered the entire known world all the way to India. And
kalian
conquered
tahu
big parts of
penguasa
India.
Aristotle
And then
yang
he left
menguasai
generals
India,
there to run the country for 500 years or something. Menander
dan
was one of them. Okay, so it's
ya
very
kalian kalau
interesting.
tahu
The
Menanda itu
Geshe
salah
have
satunya dari mereka.
comes from Alexander the Great.
Eh, Kopi Geshe itu berasal dari The Great
It's very
Alexander.
interesting. Okay. All right. I still got 5 minutes. Okay, hang in there.
Saya masih punya 5 menit ya.
I was sitting in a small hut with crushed in with 30 Geshe students. The teacher, we didn't have
Saya
any
duduk
class.
di antara
The teacher was
berbagai
sitting
macam
on his bed because that
kelas.
was the only place to sit. And it was the monsoon. And the roof was straw. And
Eh,
water was dripping down on all the students. Half of them had tuberculosis. And
Kalau
I'm
kalian
sitting
tahu
there,
lingkungan
and it's like
yang
doom,
saat itu,
doom, doom, doom.
saya
It's
duduk di
hot
tengah-tengah
and it's
sekitar yang
bad.
mana atapnya
And
jerami
I'm like,
dan ada air yang menetes
I make a
dan
solemn
lingkungannya
vow.
sangat
When I
panas.
become a teacher,
Ketika saat itu
I
saya
will make those people
mengambil
suffer.
sumpah ketika saya
Understand?
membayangkan ketika saya
That's why you have to sit
suatu
through
hari
it.
menjadi guru, saya akan membuat mereka
Okay.
menderita gitu.
Anyway. All right. Number 9. By the way, this is a
9,
list of things you have to do in your lifetime. Okay. Don't forget. Number
ini
9.
adalah daftar yang Anda
Jinyat
harus lakukan dalam sepanjang hidup Anda.
Loma Beltsu. How he grew his group of disciples and spread the Dharma
Bagaimana
among
dia
them.
menumbuhkan, mengembangkan
By the way, group
kelompok
of disciples for some of
murid-muridnya
you
untuk menyebarkan
means
Dharma di sekitar
talk to
mereka.
people at work or talk to your family members
Jadi
and
maksudnya
try to get
grup
them not to
ini
fight with
adalah
each other.
grup
That's
muridnya itu
Dharma
adalah
culture.
orang-orang yang ada di sekitar Anda,
Okay,
untuk
that's
anak-anak
the
Anda,
main
keluarga
goal
Anda, orang-orang di sekitar
of
Anda,
Dharma
bahkan
culture.
teman-teman Anda.
You know, we
Karena
don't
Anda
know,
termasuk guru
but
Dharma.
everybody here
Kita
has to
tidak tahu
teach.
bahwa setiap
Okay,
orang
and
dari sini adalah
maybe
harus mengajar.
what I'm trying to say is it doesn't have to be you're teaching the Geshe course. Maybe you can help people more
Anda
if you
tidak harus
just
menjadi
teach
seorang
people
Kishe
at your
ketika
job.
Anda bisa mengajar orang lebih banyak,
And the best
ketika
way
Anda
to
di
do that
kantor,
is
Anda bisa membantu
be a
orang
good
lebih banyak,
example. Okay.
maka Anda
I
adalah
asked my
guru.
teacher, you know, when I first went to the diamond business, in the first few
Saya
months,
pernah
I told my
bertanya pada
teacher,
guru saya,
I can't
ketika saya
stay there.
berada di
And he
diamond
said, why?
business,
And I said,
saya
the
bilang
kids, dishonest
saya
there.
tidak bisa kerja di sana
And
karena mereka
they're
melakukan
fighting.
hal yang tidak baik.
I can't stay there. And he
Saya
said,
nggak bisa bertahan di
well, you
sana.
see if you can change it. You know,
Gurunya
see if
bilang,
you can
ya
clean
lihat
up.
bagaimana kamu bisa
And
membersihkannya,
it took
bagaimana
15
kamu bisa
years.
merubahnya. Dan itu
I did it.
membutuhkan waktu
And at the
15 tahun
end,
dan
it was
ya
the
saya bisa
biggest
melakukannya.
pocket in Manhattan. The whole building, you know, like 800 people, they were all like, you know,
Dan
except
selama
for
15
Papa.
tahun
Okay.
seluruh orang-orang di gedung itu mereka
Just
bersikapnya
kidding.
seperti ini.
I'm just kidding. Okay. All right. By the way, just so you know, and I don't know, Peter Maria, I think of you, I don't know why. So Rendawa's student was Tsongkhapa, but before Rendawa met Tsongkhapa, he had two other students called Gyaltsabje and Kedubje. Okay, so Tsongkhapa's two closest disciples started with Rendawa. And then Rendawa trained them, you know, and trained them in the classics. And these are the two great disciples of Tsongkhapa. And Rendawa told those two disciples, there's this person named Tsongkhapa. He's new to our area, central Tibet, central and central west Tibet, Tsang and Tsang. And Rendawa assigned them to go help Tsongkhapa. Okay, that's weird. You know, a teacher takes his two best students and offers them to another teacher. And they became the two right-hand people of Tsongkhapa. If you know the history, we are studying, I mean, Nick's translating Gyaltsab-je, Nick already translated a different Gyaltsab-je, Adam's translating Kedub-je, Gibson is translating Tsongkhapa. It's all, you know, It's all came from Randawa. It's very interesting. It's so interesting, like if you have two great fundraisers in your organization, like your John Brady, and then Tim needs money because he's not allowed to charge, and then you're John Brady and you offer your two best fundraisers to Tim. That's what Randawa did. Okay, it's weird. It's pretty weird. I don't know. Like, I'm not saying anything. Okay. Okay. We still have 0 minutes. Oh, we gotta stop. Okay, where did we stop? Number? No. We did 10. Oh no, we didn't do 10. You're right. We finished 9. Okay, and then we'll go to 10. Okay, yeah. I should get the diamond back. I hope so. Don't worry, it's here. I trust you guys. All right, we have to leave pretty soon, I think. They have to close the place. Right, Tim? Am I right? Okay. So please don't dawdle or dawdle outside, okay? And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for coming so far. Thank you for coming so far. Okay. Yay.
Thank you so much, our dear teacher. Thank you very much. Your classes are immaculate as usually. Few announcements. For those who are online, you will have meditation with Sugen at 9 p.m. For those who are on the site, please take your garbage with you, okay? Leave the place pure. And also we have a necklace, orange stone inside the diamond. So maybe if it's yours, I have it, you can come to me to take it back.
Ada benda
Okay?
yang ditemukan,
Have
jadi
an
bisa
amazing,
mengambilnya.
sweetest dreams tonight, and see you all at 8 a.m. for our translation classes. Goodbye.
Close your eyes. Kiss you. Miss you. I'll pretend